What if I told you there's a type of money that no government, no bank, and no CEO can control? And it's been hiding in plain sight for over a decade. Most people think cryptocurrency is either a scam or too complicated to understand. But here's the thing. You're already using the technology that makes crypto possible every single day. Your smartphone, your Wi-Fi, even your Netflix account. They all rely on the same principles that power Bitcoin. By the end of this video, you'll understand crypto better than 90% of people. And I'll show you why it might change everything about money as we know it. Let's start with a problem you've probably never thought about. Right now, every dollar in your bank account isn't actually yours. It's an IOU from your bank. When you send money to a friend, you're not actually sending money. You're asking your bank to subtract from your IOU and add to theirs. The bank controls everything. They can freeze your account, charge fees, or even lose your money if they go bankrupt. But what if there was a way to send money directly, person to person, without any middleman? What if your money was truly yours, stored in a way that no single institution could touch? That's exactly what cryptocurrency solves. But how it works will blow your mind. Most people don't know this, but cryptocurrency is basically a shared Google Doc that can never be edited. Here's how it works with 3 simple concepts. Imagine a small town where everyone keeps identical notebooks. Every time someone pays someone else, everyone writes it down. If one person tries to cheat by changing their notebook, everyone else's notebook proves they're lying. Instead of physical signatures, crypto uses mathematical locks that only you can open with your private key. It's like having an unbreakable digital signature that proves the transaction is really from you. But here's where it gets really interesting. This system doesn't just work for money. Because thousands of computers around the world maintain these identical records, you don't need a bank. You can send value directly to anyone anywhere 24/7. You've been lied to about who crypto is really for. The media says it's just for criminals and speculators, but here's the truth. Right now, 1.7 billion people worldwide don't have access to banks. For them, cryptocurrency isn't speculation, it's financial freedom. A farmer in Kenya can now receive payment for coffee beans directly from a buyer in New York. No banks, no 10% fees, no week-long delays, but it goes beyond payments. Smart contracts automate agreements, NFTs prove ownership of digital art, and entire decentralized applications run without any central authority. And this is just the beginning. What's coming next will change everything. We're moving toward a world where your identity, your assets, and your agreements are all managed by code instead of corporations. Central banks are creating digital versions of national currencies, and major companies are building on blockchain technology. The question isn't whether this technology will take over, it's whether you'll understand it before everyone else does. Here's something that will shock you. You don't need to buy any cryptocurrency to benefit from understanding it. The skills you learn understanding blockchain will be valuable in almost every industry within the next 5 years. If this opened your eyes to what cryptocurrency really is, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos that decode the future of money. And drop a comment below. What surprised you most about crypto? Next week I'm revealing the 3 biggest cryptocurrency myths that even experienced investors believe, and why they're completely wrong. You won't want to miss it.